Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen flickering problem on VIVO X200 FE. Let's begin. First, let's simply adjust our brightness. Sometimes when our brightness levels are low, we have this weird thing that our screen is actually flickering. While the real eye doesn't really see that, our camera should. Of course, it does really depend on the type of resolution you have and screen hertz that you have equipped currently. But we can simply do that by, expanding our control center and modifying our brightness levels right here. Typically, when they are low, we see a screen flicker, just like we can see on my camera right now. So, let's increase our brightness. We can also disable our adaptive brightness. This way, it's enabled. We want to make sure that it's disabled, so it won't randomly change and it won't randomly give us the illusion that we have a nice or, not nice screen flickering. There is also another way to dim your screen without giving yourself an illusion of screen flicker, and it's to simply enable screen dimmer. We can do that by going into settings, scrolling almost all the way down, heading into shortcuts and accessibility, here scrolling all the way down once again, clicking accessibility, and here we have extra dim. We can click on it, we can make screen extra dim, and now we can also customize how dark we want the screen to be. Notice that this is separate from our normal brightness bar, which is pretty cool. And lastly, we can also check for software updates. We can do that by going into settings, scrolling all the way down and clicking system update. As you can see, we are already at the latest system version, but if you are not, I would strongly advise you to download the latest system version. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.